In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Venmo account for the very first time. Whether you want to send money to friends, pay for something online, or just keep a balance ready, this tutorial will guide you step by step, so it's super easy to get started. First, make sure you've downloaded the Venmo app and logged into your account. If you haven't linked a payment method yet, you'll need to do that first. You can add either a bank account or a debit card. To do this, go to your settings, tap on Payment Methods, and follow the prompts to securely link your bank or card. Once your payment method is added, head back to the main page of the app. You'll see your Venmo balance displayed at the top. Tap on Manage next to your balance, and then select Add Money. Here, you can choose how much money you want to add. Venmo usually has some preset amounts, but you can enter any amount you prefer. You'll also see two options for adding money: instant or standard. Instant deposits typically allow you to add up to $500 per week, and the money shows up immediately. Standard deposits can take 3 to 5 business days but may allow larger amounts. For first-time users, I recommend starting with a small amount to make sure everything is working correctly. Next, confirm which bank or card you want to pull the money from. If you have multiple payment methods, make sure you select the correct one. Tap Add to complete the transfer. You'll see your Venmo balance update instantly if you chose the instant option, or it will show up once the standard transfer clears. And that's it. You've successfully added money to your Venmo account for the first time. Now you're ready to send money to friends, pay for online purchases, or even split bills with ease. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.